Hi, my name is Carlos Villamar and I'm an electrical engineer, and you're probably wondering why I'm sitting here inside of a passive solar greenhouse that can grow fish, plants, and mushrooms. Many years ago I saw an infographic on Facebook that talked about aquaponics, and it showed how the fish provide nutrients for the plants and the plants clean the water for the fish. So I decided to build my own aquaponics system, and I put it inside of a passive solar greenhouse which allows me to grow fish and plants all year round. Now, during my investigations, I realized that part of the greenhouse was in the dark, and I started growing mushrooms in the dark side of the greenhouse. So now I'm able to grow fish, plants, and mushrooms all year round, and I think you would love it also. Please watch this next video that explains the technology a little bit better, and thank you.
Flyover of Dream Habitat's passive solar greenhouse for growing organic fish, plants, and mushrooms in extreme arid and winter environments. The greenhouse is oriented so that the glazing faces the sun for capturing solar energy. The structure is fully insulated, employing the greenhouse effect to contain all the solar energy that is captured. The greenhouse includes vents on the lower portion and on the roof portion that automatically open based on temperature to provide natural air ventilation. An evaporative cooling system is provided under the roof to take the hot O2 from the plant chamber and cool and moisten the air for the mushroom chamber. This action flushes the CO2 from the mushroom chamber into the plant chamber to be used by the plants. Entering the greenhouse, we can see the plant chamber, wherein plants clean the nutrient-rich water for the fish pond. A thermal battery or water wall is provided inside the greenhouse that acts as a thermal storage of the captured heat or cool energy, passively keeping the greenhouse cool in the summer and warm in the winter. The mushrooms in the mushroom chamber on the other side of the water wall also are provided with water from the fish pond, wherein mushrooms also clean the nutrient-rich water for the fish pond. Further designs include houses, buildings, and skyscrapers based on the greenhouse technology. We have patents pending worldwide and are looking for partners throughout the world for deploying this exciting food security technology.
Now that you know a little bit about this exciting technology, let us explain to you the ways we're using it. We have a project with Hope organization to build tiny homes for the homeless, and we're going to be building tiny homes and greenhouses to feed and house the homeless. In addition, we have commercial versions of the greenhouse that you can put in your backyard. We have the do-it-yourself version like the one here, and we have an ongoing fundraiser that you can participate in with our very interesting perks. Thank you.